Now we discuss sp3 hybridization. In this type of hybridization, one orbital of s and three orbital of p hybridized, and they form four new sp3 hybrid orbitals having shape tetrahedral and bond angle of 109 degree 28 minute. One orbital of s and three orbital of p hybridized, and they form four new sp3 hybrid orbitals. First sp3, second sp3, third sp3 and fourth sp3 hybrid orbital. One orbital of s, three orbital of p hybridized in that manner, so they gives four new sp3 hybrid orbitals having same energy, same size but different orientation in space. The bond angle is 109 degree 28 minute and the shape is tetrahedral. Let we take the example of methane CH4. In CH4, the central atom is carbon. So we write carbon 6 is equal to 2 4 means 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Carbon 2 4 is equal to 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. In ground state, we write 2s2, 2p2. In px, 1 electron is present, py 1 electron is present, pz there is no electron at all. It goes to the excited state, means one electron is jumped from this to the px jump to the py and py jump to the pz. One electron from s orbitals jumps to the p orbitals. Here we obtain four unpaired electrons, one orbital of s and three orbital of p hybridized, and they form four new sp3 hybrid orbitals. One orbital of s, three orbital of p hybridized and forms four new sp3 hybrid orbitals like this. One orbital of s, three orbital of p, total four orbitals participated and they form four new sp3 hybrid orbitals. They form four new sp3 hybrid orbitals. Here we discuss about s character and p character. So 25% is s character and 75% is p character. After hybridization, process of overlapping takes place. Hydrogen atom, first hydrogen atom, second hydrogen atom, third hydrogen atom and fourth hydrogen atom all have one pair unpaired s orbital. After the process of hybridization, overlapping takes place. In this overlapping, first half-filled s orbital of hydrogen atom overlap with first sp3 of carbon atom, forming sigma bond, while second half-filled s orbital of second hydrogen atom overlaps with second sp3 hybrid orbital of carbon atom and forms sigma bond. Half-filled s orbital of third hydrogen atom overlaps with sp3 hybrid orbitals of carbon atom and forms sigma bond. And ultimately, last half-filled s orbital of fourth carbon overlaps with sp3 hybrid orbital of carbon atom and forms sigma bond. The shape is tetrahedral and bond angle is 109 degree 28 minute. After the example of methane, here we discuss the example of ammonia, NH3. Ammonia. In ammonia, central atom is nitrogen. The atomic number of nitrogen is 7. We can write like this: nitrogen 7 is equal to 25, means 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Ground state, we write 2s2, 2p3. There is no need to go through the excited state, because after going to excited state, there is no change in the number of unpaired electrons. So, one orbital of s and one orbital of 3 orbital of p hybridized, and they form 4 new sp3 hybrid orbital. One orbital of s, 3 orbital of p hybridized, and they form 4 new sp3 hybrid orbital. Out of these 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals, one orbital have lone pair of electron. One orbital of s, 3 orbital of p hybridized, and they form 4 new sp3 hybrid orbitals. One has lone pair. After the process of hybridization, overlapping takes place. In overlapping, 3 hydrogen atom participated. First, second, third. Very first phenomena, half-filled s orbital of hydrogen atom overlaps with first sp3 hybrid orbital of nitrogen atom and forms sigma bond. Second, half-filled s orbital of second hydrogen atom overlaps with second sp3 hybridized atom of nitrogen atom and forms sigma bond. Third, half-filled s orbital of third hydrogen atom overlaps with third sp3 hybrid orbital of nitrogen atom and forms sigma bond. Fourth, sp3 hybrid orbital do not participate in bond formation because it possesses lone pair. Due to this, the bond angle is decreases. यदि मनुष्य में कोई टेंशन है तो चेहरा विकृत हो जाता है, आदमी कार्य नहीं कर पाता है. यहाँ पर ये लोन पेयर है, इसकी इच्छाएं पूरी नहीं हुई है, इसने पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर पाया बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन में, इसलिए ये बॉन्ड एंगल को डिक्रीज करेगा, शेप को चेंज करेगा. तो द शेप बिकम्स pyramidal and the bond angle is 107 degree. Instead of 109 degree 28 minute, the bond angle decreases up to 107. यहाँ कोई भूत नहीं था, यहाँ एक भूत है. भूत के कारण आदमी जो रात में 9 बजे तक घर जा रहा था आराम से, वो भूत को चक्कर में 7 बजे ही घर पहुंच जाता है. लोन पेयर मीन्स भटकती आत्मा. नेक्स्ट we discuss example number 3rd, formation of H2O molecule. How H2O molecule is formed. In this case, oxygen act as a central atom. Oxygen O 8 is equal to 2,6 means 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Ground state, we write there is no need of excited state. One orbital of s and 3 orbital of p hybridized, and they form 4 new sp3 hybrid orbital. Out of this 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals, 2 contains lone pair. After the process of hybridization, the process of overlapping takes place. In the process of overlapping, this half-filled s orbital of first hydrogen atom overlaps with first sp3 hybrid orbitals and forms sigma bond. Second, half-filled s orbital of second hydrogen atom overlaps with second sp2 hybrid orbital of oxygen atom and forms sigma bond. These orbitals do not take part in bond formation. That's why they are called lone pair. Due to presence of lone pair, the bond angle is decreases and it becomes 104.5 degree. Instead of 109 degree 28 minute, it reduces up to 104.5 degree. जैसे आप अपने मोहल्ले में रहते थे, वहाँ कोई समस्या नहीं थी, आप रात में 9 साढ़े 9 बजे तक घर पहुँच रहे थे, आराम से मुस्कुराते घूमते। मालूम पड़ा वहाँ कोई भूतनी का साया है। फिर साइंस वाले भूतनियों को नहीं मानते हैं, लेकिन भूतनी का साया अंधविश्वास है। तो आप 9 बजे के स्थान पर 7 बजे घर पहुँच जाते हैं। मालूम पड़ा कि यहाँ भूत के साथ चुड़ैल भी है, 2 है पेयर है, मिस्टर और मिसेस भूत है। तो जो व्यक्ति रात में 9 बजे घर जाता था, जैसे उसने सुना कि भूत भूतनी है, वो 4:30 बजे घर के अंदर चला जाता है। सो बॉन्ड एंगल डिक्रीजेस एंड द शेप बिकम्स वी शेप. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट sp3 hybridization. We take the example of methane, ammonia and water molecules. After this, we discuss about molecular orbital theory.